Welcome back now. Let's bowl off with some cricket. West Indies captain Craig Brathwaite closed day one a single run away from his 9th Test century as the Windies had an up-and-down opening day in the second Test against Sri Lanka at the Sir Viv Richards Stadium in Antigua. Renardo Brown reports.
For the first time all tour, the West Indies found themselves batting first after Sri Lanka won the toss. That decision bore fruit early as Jamaican John Campbell was dismissed for just 5. Shortly after, first Test centurion Nkrumah Bonner was also removed without scoring, with a score 15 for 2. New batsman Kyle Mears then joined captain Craig Brathwaite, and the two set about rebuilding the Windies innings. Mears was once again positive in his approach, scoring boundaries after boundaries, as the two posted 71 runs to take the Windies to lunch at 86 for 2. But immediately after the interval, Mears was removed for 49. Jamaican Jermaine Blackwood added 34 runs along with Brathwaite before becoming Suranga Latma's third wicket of the day, when he was sent to wicketkeeper Narshan Dickwela for 18. As midway the second session, the hosts found themselves 120 for 3. Another 50-run partnership between Jason Holder and Brathwaite followed, as the Caribbean side passed 150. Brathwaite was solid, while the former Test skipper Holder was a bit more expansive, as he scored 5 fours on his way to 30 from 34 deliveries before he was the first wicket to fall to spin. Wicketkeeper batsman Joshua Da Silva survived a close leg-before-wicket decision early in his innings, but his 35-ball stay at the crease only brought a single, with the West Indies losing their 6th wicket for 185 runs. Brathwaite was joined by Antiguan Alzarri Joseph, and for a while, it was hard to tell who was the established batsman. Joseph was elegant in his stroke play for the most part, but after being put down at fine leg, Lasith Embuldenya atoned for his mistake, removing the Antiguan for 34. And new batsman Rakeem Cornwall picked up from the first Test, as he soon found his groove and the boundary. The two have so far shared in a 65-run 8th-wicket partnership, with Cornwall on 43 and Brathwaite, who will face a first delivery on day 2, on 99. The Windies closed the day at 287 for 7, as Latmal claimed 3 for 71.
I think anything, plus, 350 is crucial to get. But, I think we could get more. But, the application is required, for that first over on the first session. But, I think anything above 300 plus, will be good.
Play resumes on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Jamaica time. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.